first thing first, big up the Almighty. And big up everybody who they here. And big up all of the judges them. I don't know what I've said down. Big up every artist where you see turn out and I do them thing. Because all of we are stars same way. Find me rhythm there, bro.
Damage music.
You have some friend. I see who all who not sell out. I see no about loyalty. If I know about loyalty, I see on. If I know say not sell out. You know the chap said, no, the first time money I represent. Alright then, more time I feel like fi go and build. Keep back on me yard and just go and chill. Cause me now feel them energy. Now feel them energy. More time I feel like fi go and build. Keep back on me yard and just go and chill. Cause me now feel them energy. No, she said them my enemy. Yo dog, me can't believe said them my friend killer. Just students say man know fi buy the beamer. Bad mind feeling, me see them in. And when I never left them out, everything me put them in. And when I just share the one dinner, them see them one turn on and pull the trigger. Protect me please, Jaja. Protect me from these nigga. When me a hunt for the food for me two daughter, them members say me have to mind mama. Hustling every day I'm a grammar. Step by step man I step up the ladder. Yo them tell me them real but me know them a snake. They no genuine like leather. And them see him one come a thumbs up. And then come round and talk about brother. More time I feel like we go and build. Keep back on me yard and just go and chill. Cause me now feel them energy. No, me now feel them energy. More time I feel like we go and build. Keep back on me yard and just go and chill. And me now feel them energy. No, me say them my enemy. Yo, me say, man I pray fi make a couple mil. Big house pan the hill, champagne it off a spill. Fi all of my brother them we get killed. Coulda never bad mind. Hurry if you make a meal. Loyalty, that's what them talk about. But them wanna visit you when time in a jailhouse. You know see them quick fi sell we out. Them thing that you talk about. When me step jam, me no step without ever. Yeah man.
Well excited, Frassa body and the 100% talent show. Hey, me I tell you, our general, right away, no my boss.
Yo, boss. Bad artist. You see me I deal with. Excellent. I love the song, love the message. You see me I deal with my general. You're new in the competition. First, second time I okay. Come on, no. You see me I deal with.
Yeah.
So yeah man, for me, I give you 8. You see me I deal with. Well done, my general. Arrow.
Thank you, our general, for that. How you mean, tall boss? You mean, we hear what you have to say.
Yo, John, yo, the man bad. Positive music. And you know, him I deliver it good. You know me I say, yo, rate your energy. Straight, yeah man. Song bad. 10 me give you. I swear,
10.
daddy. Yeah,
Alright, remember everybody have to put up
I do a collab with
a number.
I swear.
Everybody have to put
Same
up a
vibes,
number.
me like, I remember positive music me doing.
Yes.
I do a collab with you.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Lady Tash. Hey, just put up a number if you're representing, you know what I mean?
It was a message for me and also the clarity. That song was some deep meds, understand me? I like it.
What number I'm getting now? Is that 8? Alright, thank you for that. So you get a 7, 8, 8, and our general 8, and the boss give you 10. Make sure to write down the score them, alright? Big up yourself, Frassa body!